Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth, weighing up to 140,000 kilograms. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, their hearts as much as a car. Incredibly, blue whales are graceful swimmers. They cruise the ocean at over 8 kilometers an hour and can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers an hour. Though we can't hear them, blue whales are one of the loudest animals on the planet. It is thought that in good conditions, blue whales can hear each other across the distances of up to 1,600 kilometers. They mainly catch their food by diving and descend to depths of approximately 500 meters. African elephant. Weighing up to 6,000 kilograms and measuring up to 3.3 meters at the shoulder, the African elephant is the world's largest land mammal. It is characterized by its highly dexterous trunk, long curved tusks, and massive ears. Elephants use their trunk for smelling, breathing, touching, and sucking up water. An African elephant's large ears also serve many purposes. The ears' large surface area helps radiate excess heat under the harsh African sun. The ears are also often used to communicate visually. Saltwater crocodile. This amazing animal is the largest of all crocodilians and in fact the largest reptile on Earth. They are great swimmers and can stay submerged for over an hour. The saltwater crocodile is the classic opportunistic predator. It patiently waits for its prey, lurking beneath the surface of the water. It will feed on anything it can get its jaws around, including water buffalo, monkeys, wild boar, and even sharks. The name saltwater crocodile is misleading. They can live in brackish waters along the coastline as well as in freshwater rivers and swamps. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Their legs alone are taller than many humans and animals. They can run as fast as 35 miles an hour over short distances. A giraffe's neck is too short to reach the ground. As a result, it has to awkwardly spread its front legs or kneel to reach the ground to drink water. Giraffes only need to drink once every few days. Most of their water comes from all the plants they eat. Giraffes spend most of their lives standing up. They even sleep and give birth standing up. A giraffe's spots are much like human fingerprints. No two individual giraffes have exactly the same pattern. Polar bear. Polar bears are found in the frozen wilds of the Arctic, in Canada, Greenland, Russia, and Norway. Adult polar bears can measure over 2.5 meters long and weigh around 680 kilograms. Their huge size and weight make them the largest living carnivores on Earth. Polar bears are well adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on our planet. Along with their thick fur, they have a layer of fat called blubber, which insulates their bodies from the frosty air and near freezing water. Polar bears also have black skin under their glistening coat, which helps them soak up the sun's rays and keep warm. Polar bears are excellent swimmers and have been spotted in waters over 100 kilometers offshore. They can comfortably swim at around 10 kilometers an hour. Polar bears are the only bear species to be considered marine mammals. Goliath beetle. Goliath beetles are usually 2 to 4 inches long, weighing up to 2 ounces at adult stage. Goliath beetles are also known as the largest beetles on the planet because of their strength. They can lift a load that is 850 times heavier than their own weight. Color of the Goliath beetle's body depends on the subspecies, but it is usually a combination of black, brown, and white colors. Males and females can be easily distinguished. Females lack Y-shaped horns on the head. Y-shaped horns in males are used in fight for territory and during the mating season. Goliath beetles have 6 legs equipped with sharp claws. Goliath beetles eat different types of plant material, fruit, and dung. Whale shark. The largest fish on the planet, whale sharks are in no way related to whales. Although they are sharks, they are very docile and pose no real threats to humans. Whale sharks can reach up to 46 feet in length and can weigh up to 12 tons. That's 24,000 pounds. Whale sharks have about 3,000 tiny teeth, but they don't use those teeth to eat. Whale sharks aren't the fastest swimmers, reaching speeds no higher than 5 kilometers per hour. They swim by moving their bodies from side to side, unlike other sharks, like the great white, who just use their tails to swim. Whale sharks have a lifespan that's estimated to be 70 to 100 years. They reach sexual maturity at around 30 years. Ostrich. The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostriches have 3 stomachs. Unlike all other living birds, the ostrich secretes urine separately from feces. Ostriches are the fast runners and can sprint at over 70 kilometers per hour, covering up to 5 meters in a single stride. Ostriches' wings reach a span of about 2 meters and are used in mating displays, to shade chicks, to cover the naked skin of the upper legs, and to change direction while running. The giant eggs are the largest of any living bird, at 15 centimeters long and weighing as much as 24 chicken eggs. Thanks for watching. Tell us in comments which one of these you like the most and why. On Forever Green channel, we have a lot of amazing videos on beautiful animals, so don't forget to check them out and subscribe to Forever Green.